Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. Did you know that volume 40 developer can be used to bleach your extension, your hair, your wigs? Yes, it can, and today we are about to prove that. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So guys, as you can see, I'm starting out by putting on my gloves because this is very strong. I thought it was the bleach powder that was strong, but it's actually this volume 40. It is actually the volume 40 that is strong. When it catches your fingers, it burns like pepper, like it burns horrible. So you make sure that you are wearing your gloves. So this is a wig extension. I made this wig and it is in number 1, but I want to change it into a colored, like a brown wig or something like that. So my client said that she wanted a little bit brown, so I'm going in now by pouring that volume 40 all over the hair. Guys, I went ham with this. I drenched this wig with this volume 40, and I'm using a brand new bottle of volume 40. It was almost finished when I was through with the hair, but guys, just stick around to see the finished look. It looks amazing, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, so stay tuned.
You'll be good to me, good to me. How nice if I just could let you in, let you in. I know you could be my remedy, my remedy. How long will you keep trying?
So after I finished drenching this hair, you guys, you don't have to go in as much as I did. I wrapped up my hair into a steaming cap. Well, I call it steaming cap. You can use a plastic bag or anything like that. As you can see, I'm showing you that everywhere, you have to ensure that everywhere gets the volume 40 developer, so because you don't want some part to be brown and some part to be black, unless that is what you are going for. But I wanted all of it to be brown, so hence the reason I started from the root, come straight up. So you can place a bag over it and ensure a steam cap or something like this that I'm doing. You can also use foil paper, foil wrap or anything like that, but I didn't want to use the foil wrap because although the foil wrap is much more faster, as you can see, I placed it in the sun. I place it outside in the sun. Some persons put it under the dryer, the hair dryer, but I don't have a hair dryer, but I put it in the sun and it was there for about 8 hours. It stayed overnight, and this is the color coming. It was coming slowly, but it was happening, guys. It was definitely happening. I believe it has something to do with the texture of the hair. It was a bit slow because I've seen where it does work fast on other texture, but with this texture it was a bit slow. So depending on the texture, you have to have patience to do this. As you can see, the brown is coming, the color is coming, and guys, it low-key bleached the knots as well. It is beautiful.
How nice if I just could let you in, let you in.
Guys, there's the color. There is the color. No bleach, absolutely no bleach. I did not apply no bleach powder. Only the volume 40 developer did this. It was looking beautiful. It was looking brown, the color that I was going for. If you want it, and the thing is that it doesn't over bleach the hair, so you will see some part looking strawny or anything like that. It was perfect. It was the perfect thing for me. I did not add any bleach powder. So volume 40 do bleach your hair. It does. So this is it. So guys, I thank you so much for watching this video. As you can see, the finished look, my client is so happy for it. She is loving it, and I thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. If this video was helpful to you, please tell a friend to tell a friend about Shan's night. Until my next video, guys, bye bye.